Motors welcomes you to highlight Odisha's emerging industrial aptitude. Our visionary leadership introduced an inspiring idea of making Odisha country. Odisha is ready to inform you all over the world. Along with bold ideas from top leaders, finding ways to explore the city and beyond, showing things forward.